Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So here you can see it, sorry, something went wrong on your Facebook. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just write in search tab Facebook, and if you see here not open what update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.